In this video we are going to talk about how to make money on Fiverr for beginners. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. If you are looking for a side hustle or you want to generate money while working remotely, Fiverr is a website that can be of tremendous assistance to you. You may interact with potential consumers and provide your services as a freelancer, all within the confines of a single platform by using Fiverr. This post will teach you how to get your first gig and more on Fiverr, and how to generate money using that platform to sell your services. What exactly is the website Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelancers where they may make money by providing services that are in great demand. Customers can search the online marketplace to locate freelancers they are interested in working with and then contact those freelancers to begin collaborating. How does the website Fiverr function? On Fiverr, getting your first gig up and running is a rather straightforward process. To begin, you will have to create what is known as a gig, which is essentially a category of project on which you can work. Your gig will specify the pricing, the deliverable that buyers will receive after making a purchase, also known as the deliverable, and the time frame within which customers can anticipate receiving your work. You have the option of performing at one setup or numerous performances, depending on how much time you are willing to put in. Customers use Fiverr to search through the available jobs posted by sellers to find someone they want to collaborate with and then purchase the gigs directly from the freelancer's page. Why you should start offering gigs on Fiverr right away and start making money. Fiverr is an excellent place to begin if you are interested in generating more revenue and expanding your freelance profile at the same time. You should think about working on online platforms such as Fiverr for a number of reasons, some of which are listed here. Fiverr allows you the independence to work on your own time and the flexibility to supply whatever services you see fit for customers. You get more control over how much to charge clients and what you'll be delivering clients, which enables you to begin making money online on your own terms. Set your rates. You will have the opportunity to meet clients and potential purchasers for your services from all over the world, giving you the chance to create a network that will lead to other opportunities. Fiverr is a fantastic opportunity for a side hustle because it allows you to choose your own hours, which means you can make some decent money while still meeting all of your other obligations. Commit as much as you like. Instead of locking yourself down to a single task, you may scale the amount of work you do on Fiverr up or down depending on the demand for your services. How much money is possible to make using Fiverr? It is up to you and the amount of work you put in to determine how much money you make on Fiverr. Freelancers can expect to make an average of $500 or more each month through their work on Fiverr. Earnings, on the other hand, have the potential to grow as a result of positive client feedback and 5-star ratings, which can lead to an increase in your hourly rate. The experience can be rather diverse due to the fact that many freelancers are generating significantly bigger amounts on the marketplace, with some ranging in the 6 figures. How fast is it possible to make money using Fiverr? Earnings on Fiverr may take some time to get started, but you may begin making money on the platform as soon as someone purchases an active gig of yours. This could take a few days, up to a few weeks, or anywhere in between. Where to begin on Fiverr and how to get started? Now that we've gone over how to make money on Fiverr, let's have a look at the steps that are required to get started on the platform. We will guide you through the process of creating your profile and account on Fiverr so that you can begin earning additional income. You can sign up for an account on Fiverr by selecting the Become a Seller option when using either the Fiverr app or the Fiverr platform. Choose a username that reflects your professionalism, as this is what customers will see when searching for gigs. In order to get started, you will first need to activate your account and set up your profile with a description of your services, talents, and educational history, as well as a photo of yourself. After you have finished creating your profile, it is essential to start attracting customers by creating a fundamental gig. You are free to establish a new gig for each individual service that you provide. When you have a number of various types of gigs active at the same time, it makes it simpler for customers to locate you and increases the likelihood that they will do so. To differentiate yourself from the other performers, you will first need to think of a gig title that is interesting and attention-grabbing. After that, you may add a gig description, in which you detail the services you offer and what a buyer should anticipate from the transaction. Finally, if you are unsure how to write this section, you can look at other gigs that are comparable to this one to get a better idea. You also have the option of providing more content, such as a gig image, gig videos, and even a video testimonial from a prior customer if one is available. You can also transform your Fiverr profile into a comprehensive sales page by creating a gig package in addition to other options. Fiverr Elevate is an excellent tool that the company makes available to you so that you may better manage your career as a freelancer. This includes a crash course on the fundamentals of freelancing, which is presented in the form of a video series in the Learning Center of Fiverr. How to make money with your Fiverr account and ideas for gigs you can sell on Fiverr. The services that you provide will be unique to your skill set, but to give you some ideas, we have compiled a list of some of the most in-demand services that are offered on Fiverr and that bring in new customers. The use of digital marketing techniques, such as social media marketing, social media management, and social media services. Graphic design as well as the creation of individualized graphics. Services offered by web developers. Article writing, including blogging and writing for landing sites, are examples of content writing. Work as a virtual assistant. Services of translation available. Providers of accounting services. The step-by-step guide to earning more money as a Fiverr seller. When it comes to having success on Fiverr, one of the most important things to do is to stand out. Because there are many skilled freelancers on the site with whom you are competing, distinguishing yourself from them will help you make the most sales possible. If you are a seller on Fiverr, the following are some suggestions that can help you enhance your earnings. Include gig add-ons. Gig add-ons serve to increase the overall value of your bundles. In order to create an outstanding experience for the customer, this may involve providing a quick turnaround time on services, more revisions, and other features. Gain access to higher Fiverr levels. The more excellent work you complete for customers, the more quickly you will advance through the Fiverr levels. Because of this, your profile will become more visible, which will, in turn, bring in more traffic. Fiverr is known for having some fairly interesting features, and one of those things is the ability to offer gig multiples. Customers will now be able to increase the quantity of their orders by purchasing multiples of any gig that you offer. Send offers to potential purchasers. One additional technique to increase the amount of traffic that visits your page is to actively browse through what customers are searching for. As soon as you find a potential client who is a suitable match for your services, you may send them offers tailored to the requirements of their gigs, thereby expanding your client base. How exactly does one go about getting paid on Fiverr? The method that Fiverr uses to pay independent contractors is rather easy to understand. Following the placement of an order by a customer, 80% of the total cash will remain in your Fiverr account in a pending condition for a period of 14 days. After this period, the funds will become available for withdrawal. You have the following options for withdrawing monies from your account: PayPal, bank transfer, direct deposit. Is it possible to use Fiverr as your primary source of income? On Fiverr, there are a lot of freelancers that are bringing in enough money to support themselves full-time. However, the amount of money that may be generated on the site will vary depending on how much time you are able to put in. The more gigs that you spend time into, the more likely it is that you will see an increase in income. Due to the current high demand for freelance workers, there is a lot of opportunity for top freelancers to generate a good level of revenue on Fiverr. This is because there is currently a great need for freelance workers. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.